Welcome back to Internet Avail, whereby we get to look into internet solutions. And in today's video, we are going to look into how can you get to block ads on your Android phone in just some simple steps. But before we get into that, if you do love my video and you find them valuable, just go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss each and every time I have a new upload. You always be notified. So as you can see, I'm on my phone. I want you to access the setting icon. You can either get to access it from here, or you can also get to access it after you get to pull out that notification tab right there. You can see the setting tab is right. It's at that point. So for now, you need to come to the connection option. For my case, this one might differ in different situations, but for my case, this is connection and sharing. So you need to head to the connection and sharing section, and then I want you to scroll down till whereby you're going to see something written private DNS. That's something I want you to really understand very well, since it's very, very crucial. For this case, you can see my private DNS is turned automatically, meaning it can accept any URL that might the phone might browse. But for this case, if you want to block the ads, we need to make it to be a bit specific and also exceptional to particular ads. So for this case, I want you to come to this designated private DNS. So you need to click that, and each time you get to click that, it's going to request you to provide a URL right here. So this is what I want you to type, and I want you to type exactly what I'll be typing here. I want you to type dns.adgod like that. I made them like that, and then you add .com, and then of course you need to head and make sure you get to click OK. So you need to click these right there, and for that case you can see it has already modified, and then if you go back, it is going to block all the ads that affects that, or they will be popping up into your mobile phone. So for this case, I want to take it to make sure mine is by default, since I don't want to block any ads for now, since I do some affiliate marketing with it. So that's how easy it is to block ads on your Android phone, and hopefully don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.